Hello everyone, we are on our way to the Florida Keys to help my mother-in-law to put away a few things in her house before Hurricane Ian passed by, and of course we're taking Venus and Apollo with us. The hurricane is not passing completely over the Keys, but they're gonna feel some of the winds and the rain. It's supposed to feel almost like a tropical storm. The house is in Marathon Key, which is the middle of the Keys. So we need to put away the kayaks and put away all the chairs. I don't think they will flew away, but just in case it gets super flooded, we don't want them going around. We're gonna be tying everything down here, down the house, so I don't think it's gonna happen much, but just in case. Venus, what are you doing in the pool?
Yeah, Venus, what are you doing in the pool?
You're supposed to be helping, Venus. You're not helping. Go, Venus! Go, go!
Venus! Oh, you need the ice.
Is there anyone out there? Guys, come on. It's starting to rain. It's the next day. Today we are supposed to feel a little bit of the storm here in the south. We're not getting all the full force, thank God. But anyway, I wanna walk Venus and Apollo super early just in case before it gets really nasty. Apollo only poops on walks, he doesn't poop in the backyard, so he needs his full walk every day. Thank God nothing happened for us here in the south. Sadly, like, we cannot say the same for the region of Fort Myers, Naples, Bonita Beach. All the area got hit really bad. If you could send any help, I will put it in the description down below, places where you could donate for the people that lost everything in those regions. We were very fortunate, and we're very thankful that nothing happened around here. We only got a bunch of rain and a little bit of wind, and thank goodness it already passed by Florida. I think it's going to the Carolinas now, so my thoughts are with you guys. Hope you are safe. If you have to evacuate, this is the moment to leave. And be safe, be prepared, and let's hope this is the last hurricane of the season. It's the next day, the worst already passed for us, and we got a break in the rain and in the bad weather, so we want to take a cute pictures for Instagram. I saw a lot of people doing this ghost trend, so I wanna see how Apollo looked like a ghost.
Go there. I need your help. I don't. He's such a cute ghost, buddy.
You're the cutest ghost ever! Now I need to go and get Venus's outfit. And this is Venus's outfit for the photo. It's from the movie Ghostbusters. And I think it's gonna be so cute. Apollo like a ghost and Venus like the Ghostbuster. Venus, look! These snails decide to hide from the storm in my mom's plant, and they destroyed it in one night. They ate it completely. Look how they left pretty much nothing. And oh my god, I'm so angry. And they're an invasive species. Thank goodness they didn't eat my other mom, but they destroyed this one. They're an invasive species. They recommend to killing them. I don't know what to do with them.